Yeah, but it can be an old one.
Awesome! Thank you! If I could just get it out!
Ooh, Meredith's gonna love him now. Ooh.
What is that, Chandler? I see what Bradley's got. What is that?
Whoa, look at that.
What is that? Put it on. Do you know how to put it on?
Come here.
It's a hat. The other way.
Turn around.
Conditioner, shampoo, spray, Axe, and my shower.
There, like that.
Thank you.
Let me do.
Thank you.
My video's going everywhere. Did you smell it? It's got a scratch and sniff, Bradley.
Scratch it? Smell that.
I know what it smells like.
This is the new one, right?
I don't know.